Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. What's up beautiful people? What's popping? If you're new here, hello. I am Sedyss and you're most welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you're just a passerby, hit on the subscribe button, girl, boy, man, women, hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time there's an upload coming in from me. So guys, today I'm actually going to be giving you a very easy method to clean your uterus. It's like a fertility drink. It's not like a fertility drink, it's actually a fertility drink, that helps you and prepare you for conception. So if you want to get pregnant fast, this is what you should do. This is something that you already have at home, a DIY you can actually do yourself. Just maybe you don't know the exact time for you to take this drink. So I'm actually going to be preparing it and showing you what to do and telling you the exact time to prepare this. So this will help you clean your uterus, take away those bad blood that have been accumulated under your belly and all of that. Sometimes, especially when you miscarriage, this can also help you flush those bad blood. So the first and the major ingredient here, guys, is ginger. I'm just going to cut half of it. I'm not using everything. Need everything to be too much. So guys, this is what I'm going to be using. This is the ginger I'm going to be using. So what you actually need here, guys, normally in some aspects you have to peel off the skin, but this time around we are not peeling anything, we're using all of them. So at this point you have to ensure that it is very clean. Ginger is very medicinal, guys, very medicinal. Show the water again, then I'll wash it one more time. If you want to know about ginger, you can actually check one of my videos. I've really talked a lot about this, and I'm always using ginger too. But this has a lot of benefits. This is also antioxidant. So guys, what I'm actually going to do now, help you detox your body. I'm going to scrape it like this. Just going to grate it like this. So guys, the next thing we'll be adding our hot water. Water is very hot. So this is it, depending on the quantity you need. So that's enough. Now I'm just going to cover it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Guys, after like 2 minutes, it's ready. Now we just have to strain it. So guys, after that, this is what we have here. This is the leftover. You can actually use that one again if you feel like. Then you just have to leave it for more minutes, maybe like 10 minutes. Okay, so this is it. I'm actually going to be adding my natural honey. So you can just add 1 spoon of honey, that's okay. So the main thing is the exact time to take this drink. So guys, after adding your honey, this is what we get. The honey is optional, so if you want to use the honey, you can actually use it, but if you still don't want to use the honey, it's fine. So this is what you get. This actually help you clean your uterus. This is a very powerful drink. It improves fertility and prepare you for conception. So when is actually the right time for you to take it? The first day of your menstrual flow. The first day of your menstrual flow, don't forget. Then make sure you do it first thing in the morning and the last thing at night. Do this for 3 days and take it while it's hot, not cold. This will actually help you clean your body, take all the bad blood, especially for those who have had miscarriage before. This will help you guys just for 3 days. Morning before you eat, in the evening the last thing you do before you go to bed. So I hope this is helpful, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, just send me a DM or send me an email. Thank you guys for always coming through. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next YouTube video. Bye bye.